observe one basic point, Nagalakshmi. We write programming statements, not only Java, any programming. We write programming statements using keywords, identifiers, next data or value, data and special characters only. Observe Winberg, we use these 4 types only: keyword, identifier, data and special characters. You may use only keyword and identifier in some statements, next keyword and identifier and data in some statements, special characters, etc. Using these 4 only you write your programming statements. Except these 4, no statement. Observe. Package. What is this one? Package. You can restrict all your statements to these 4 items only. What is this package? Not Nagalakshmi. Deepti, what is this package?
For a project, we need a package.
You restrict these 4. What is this package? It is keyword or identifier or data or special character. Already I told, we write programming statements using these 4 items only. Identify that item. Is it keyword or identifier or data or special character? Tell me, Deepti, is it keyword or identifier or data or special character?
That is a keyword, sir.
Keyword. Yes, it is keyword. Java language keyword. In Eclipse IDE, you can get color coding also for keywords. This color. Next, what is this ABCD, Nagalakshmi?
It's identifier, sir.
Identifier. Package name. Identifier. Next, semicolon. Special character. Special character we mentioned now. Special character. Okay. Next, what is this public? Winberg, what is this public?
Keyword.
What is this class?
Keyword.
What is this sample?
Identifier.
What is this curly braces?
Special character.
See, no other word, no other item than these 4 now. Next, observe. What is this int?
Keyword.
What is this mynum?
Identifier.
What is this equals to?
Special character.
Operator, okay. Special character na first. What is this 100?
It's a value.
What is this 100?
Data.
What is this semicolon?
Special character.
Observe Charles. Equals to is assignment operator, okay. But basically it is special character only, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next, observe. String. Now turn to Nagalakshmi. String my country equals to India. Now observe end to beginning. What is this semicolon, Nagalakshmi?
Semicolon. It's a special character.
Special character in computers, computer environment. Okay. What is this India?
It's a data.
Data. We use the double quotes, special characters. Next, what is this equals to?
It's a special character.
What is this my country?
This is the identifier.
Identifier. What is this string?
Yeah. You can say keywords.
Not keyword. Keyword color coding. And one more thing, Java keywords are small letters. But here, S started with capital na.
It's
What is
the
it?
object.
Object. See, you have to you can restrict all your programming words within these 4 items only.
So it's an identifier?
Pardon?
Is it an identifier?
Identifier. Observe, Nagalakshmi. String also identifier. It is predefined class na. Observe. Predefined class na. Means
Okay.
predefined identifier. My country is user defined identifier. You only defined my country. This is user defined identifier. Getting Nagalakshmi, any problem?
No, sir. Got it.
String is string also identifier, but we didn't define that one. That is already defined, means predefined identifier. But string is not keyword. It is identifier, predefined identifier. Now observe Nagalakshmi, not Nagalakshmi. Dipti. Okay. What is this main, Nagalakshmi? Dipti, what is this main?
Predefined identifier.
Yes, main also predefined identifier. Main is method. What method? Predefined method. Predefined identifier. It is not keyword. Keyword is color coding. It is not keyword. Now, getting the points, Charles.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, Charles. I wrote now. We can write programming statements using 4 items only. What are the 4 items?
Sir, identifier,
Keyword first.
keyword, identifier, and data and special character.
That's it. That's it. Next, keywords may vary from one language to another. Okay. Data won't vary. Identifiers also, you can use same names in different programming languages. But keywords varies from one language to another. Now observe one small example, Nagalakshmi. Suppose I want to print a message in Java. You know how to print. System dot out dot println of suppose India, otherwise message hello Java semicolon. This hello Java is value message. Here system is
It's a predefined.
identifier. Out also predefined identifier. This is class. This is object. This is method, predefined. See, observe, system is predefined identifier. Out is predefined object. Println is predefined method. Hello Java is value or data. Next, suppose I want to print same hello Java using Python programming. For that I need to write print hello Java. Print hello Java. At the end, no semicolon like syntax in Python. Observe, this is Java statement. This is Java statement. This is Python statement. Python statement. Suppose I want to print same hello Java using VB script. For that we use built-in function MSG box hello Java. Here also plain statements. Statements should not end with semicolon like. That is incorrect syntax. This is VB script statement. Observe, this print is Python keyword. Okay, na Nagalakshmi? Keywords may vary from one language to another, but identifier you can use same names or different names, no problem. Anyhow, we can restrict all our programming statements in 4 items. One is keyword. Suppose if you use Python keywords, Java keywords, next identifiers, next data, next special characters, if required. Any question?